In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo.io. So in order to do this, let's head over to our marketplace. You can do so by clicking on the store icon that we can see right here in this part. Then click on this HubSpot marketplace. Once that has been selected, you can see right here your marketplace altogether. Now click on this search bar and proceed to search for Apollo.io. So as you can see here, we have the Apollo enrichment. This is an app by Apollo.io. So let's click onto this. After you have done that, you will be redirected into this part. So with this, you can keep a clean HubSpot CRM with your data team that can trust. So click onto this install. Do take note that it requires subscription. So click onto this. After that, you will be directed to the actual Apollo login URL. So for this case, just wait for this to successfully load and then proceed to sign in with your actual Apollo. So once you have logged in or signed up, it should now be connected to our HubSpot. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.